Hey guys, Miss Qualchik here for today's phonics lesson. So we're going to continue like we have been doing. So we're going to review our old sounds first, then we're going to review some words that have our old sounds, and then move on to our new sounds. So we're going to start with our old sounds. So I'm going to hold up a sound, wait a second for you to say it, and then I'll say it just to make sure that we're saying it properly. Ooh, ooh. D, k, j, z, v, qu, z, g, s, w, ch, y, b, and ooh. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to mix them up and we're going to go through them as quickly as we can. Are we ready? Fantastic, you guys. All right, we're going to review some words that have our old sounds on them. So I'll do the first one for you and then you're going to do them. Y, et, yet. Your turn. Fantastic. Qua, it, quit. Qua, is, quiz. W, I, g, wig. J, et, jet. Z, ip, zip. Ch, I, n, chin. T, ax, e, taxi. J, a, z, jazz. Fantastic job, you guys. All right, now I'm going to pick 3 words that we are going to sound out and write down, and then we'll do one together first. So our first one that we're going to do together is going to be box. Box. We have b, ox, b, ox. So when we write it down, we should have b, ox, box. Right, now your turn to do it. So your word is mix. Mix. Go ahead. All right, so we have mix. X. X. So when we write it, we should have X. If you got it right, give yourself a nice big tick. If you got it wrong, correct it. All right, our next word is going to be jam. Jam. Using your Fred finger, sound it out and then write it down on your piece of paper or your whiteboard or in the air with your magic finger, please. All right, so we should have jam. J, a, J, a, So when I write it, we have j. Sorry, let me turn that so you can see it. J, If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, correct it. And your last word that you are going to do today is yes. Yes. So sound it out and then write it on your whiteboard, your paper, or in the air with your magic finger, please. All right, we have y-s, y-s. So when we write it, we have y-s, y-s. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, correct it. All right, fantastic job with our old sounds. We're going to move on to our new sound today. And our new sound is shh, 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 shh. And our sound looks like this. Can you please write that on your board 4 times for me, please? Go ahead. Fantastic. All right, now I'm going to hide our new sound in our old sounds. And when you see it, I want you to go shh, shh. So don't put your finger on your lips because it'll prevent the sound, but just put it in front of your lips for your shh sound. All right, are we ready? All right. Shh, fantastic. Let me hide it again. Fantastic. 2 more times. Very good, you guys. And last time. Very good, you guys. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to read some words that have our sh sound in it. So we'll do the first one together, and then after that, you guys are going to do them first. Sh, shell. Your turn. Fantastic. All right. B-a-sh, bash. R-a-sh, rush. Sh-op, shop. H-a-sh, hush. Sh-ed, shed. Ish, fish. Fantastic. All right, now we're going to write 3 words using these sounds. All right, so our first word that we are going to write is going to be cash. Cash. And our k sound is our curly k. So we have k-a-sh, k-a-sh. So using your whiteboard or your paper, you're going to write that. So we have k-ash, and we have our curly k for our k sound. So k-a-sh, cash. All right, now it's your turn. So our word, or your word that you're going to do is ship. Ship. Go ahead and write it on your board. Sound it out first and then write it. Sorry, guys. Sound it out first. All right, so we have sh, I, p, sh, I, p. So when we write it, we have our sh sound first, which is our new sound. So our sh sound, then our I, p. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it, my tick's all funky there. Sorry, guys. If you got it wrong, just correct it, please. All right, our last sh word that we're going to write today is bash. Bash. So sound it out first and then write it down for me, please. All right, so we have b-ash, b-ash. So when we write it, we have b-ash, b-ash. If you got that right, give yourself a tick. If you got it wrong, correct it, please. All right, we are now going to move on to our common exception words. So remember, common exception words are words that we cannot sound out. We just have to know how to spell them or how to read them. All right, so we're going to review our words that we have already done, and then we're going to introduce a new common exception word today. So we have we, be, are, all, my, and you. Oh, and was. Fantastic. All right, I'm going to mix them up and we're going to go through them even faster. So just mix them up a little bit. All right, are we ready? Are, all, we, my, you, was, be. Fantastic. I'm going to mix them up once more. We're going to go through them super speed. I'm not going to do it this time. Only you are. Are we ready? Fantastic, you guys. All right, our new word that we are going to be doing is she. 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 Fantastic. Can you write that on your board 4 times for me, please? Write she on your board 4 times for me, please. All right, fantastic, you guys. All right, so we're going to go through our common exception words, but this time we're going to have she in it. And every time you say she, I want you to just point to me because I'm a girl, so I'm a she. All right, are we ready? Let me just hide she in here. She, very good. Make sure you're saying all of the words as well. Let me hide she again. She, very good. Hide it once more. Very good, you guys. Fantastic. Thank you for tuning in today for today's phonics lesson. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.